Create a brand and it can last for years. Create a culture and it can last for centuries. We're proud of our Gaggenau culture and we want to share this with you today as we launch our new Combi-steam oven.
At Gaggenau, the professional kitchen principle is our foundation. It is this ethos that led to the introduction of the first Combi-steam oven for the home in 1999. The new generation of Gaggenau Combi-steam has been an evolution 20 years in the making. It is a true masterpiece.
I feel the synergies between food and lighting cannot be separated. The quality of light directly affects how we perceive our food and how attractive it is.
The first course is a butternut ravioli with Australian marron and rainbow chard, some umibido, so it's a sort of sea grape, some fresh raspberries and finger lime.
We've got this fixture composed of all these beautiful slices of quartz. As soon as you take that stone out of the ground and sort of cut it up into these thin slices, you get this beautiful transparency. In nature, quartz crystals grow in reefs. The sugar bomb represents being able to, through human skill, replicate nature.
So this is a fish course. So it's a monkfish poached in olive oil, shiso sin marinated in soy sauce, salvia flower, and fresh apple cucumber.
Being able to respond to this brief of steam, intensity of pressure and change. We selected these pieces for the Gaggenau steam launch. You have things like quartz and stone, which actually occurs because of pressure and change. So we thought that was a really nice thematic connection.
This course is Wagyu beef. So with some dessert lime kosher, veal jus, chives oil, and some fresh tomatillo.
A brand is more than just an identity, it's a personality. It's who you are, what you stand for, and how you're perceived. It has taken more than 336 years to cultivate our Gaggenau personality, and it's one that's built not only on our heritage, it was built on values such as craftsmanship, precision, design, and professional cooking in the home. As professional cooking techniques have evolved and developed, so too has Gaggenau.